celebrating milestones. With trusted 19 years of service in delivering projects with unmatched quality and deadline precision, Vishram Builders is all set to create yet another milestone in the history of Thrissur. Situated at the center of the city near Thrissur Indoor Stadium, Milestone, the latest luxury apartments from Vishram Builders, is no doubt the most sought-after living spaces in the city. An epitome of luxury, standing 14 stories tall among the ordinary, Milestone fulfills the city living experience in the 26 ultra-premium apartments, each designed to gift utmost comfort and luxury for the residents. The importance of the location becomes evident in the institutions in proximity like Kerala Sangeeta Nataka Academy, Kerala Lalitakala Academy Art Gallery, Kerala Sahitya Academy, Corporation Stadium and Indoor Stadium, Aquatic Complex, Yatri Niwas and Thrissur Public Library. Palace Road, the major retail hub of the city housing, is just a walk away from the project. Green living is the motto of Vishram Builders since its inception, and Milestone is no exception when it comes to providing the best living conditions in tune with nature. Landscaped garden and children's play area amidst greenery are not just created for leisure and fun, but to give a lease of fresh breath to the coming generations. Elegantly designed spacious designer lobby welcomes you to a whole new experience of luxury and comfort. Security is always tops the chart of the priority list in every project from Vishram Builders. Biometrically controlled entrance and CCTV at vantage points proves this point. Intercom connectivity also ensures smooth flow of communication to avoid security issues. Each apartment is an entity unto itself, with each segment with individual existence even while blending into one soul as a whole. The lively living room, neatly designed dining area, cozy bedrooms and spacious kitchen all stands testimony to the attention given to each minute detail to keep the spaces aesthetically perfect without compromising on utility aspects. Milestone, as in all the previous projects from Vishram Builders, value the importance of community living with strong bonding and interaction among the residents. Air-conditioned party hall at Milestone for sure will be your favorite party destination for family functions and get-together. To keep the residents active and energetic, Milestone has a fully loaded air-conditioned gym, and the air-conditioned indoor play area will be an alternative for those who like to have fun indoors. Yoga and meditation space for elevating the inner peace. Waste disposal is never a concern for the residents of Vishram projects, as we have scientifically designed waste management system with sewage treatment plant at all our projects. Successfully implemented solid waste management. Milestone is definitely the best available living space in the city of Thrissur, which beautifully balance the contemporary architecture design with maximum space utilization without altering the natural harmony of the land and location.